Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué lo que? Vamos a ver el verbo tener. Vamos a estudiarlo. We're going to study it very quickly. The verb tener means to have. Tener means to have. And we know this is an infinitive verb. All verbs in their natural original state without being conjugated, we call those infinitives. So an infinitive is an ER ending verb, AR ending, or IR ending. Tener in this case is an ER infinitive. So let's look at the forms. We understand the subject pronouns that these are designated to. So this is the yo box. So tener in the yo form changes to tengo. Tengo. Tengo un carro. Tengo un carro. I have a car. Tienes. Tienes. Tienes una amiga. Tienes una amiga. You have a friend. Tiene. Tiene. And we know this can refer to either él, ella, or usted. And of course, if it's a thing, it falls under él, ella, usted as well. Tiene. Él tiene tareas. Él tiene tareas. He has homework in the plural sense. More than one homework. And again, we know that this column we're referring to one individual or one thing here. The second column is for plurality. We're referring to more than one person, or it could be more than one things when we get down to this bottom box. Tenemos. Tenemos. That means we have. Tenemos $3. Tenemos $3. We have $3. The tenéis is the y'all have. Y'all have. It's the you plural, familiar. It's not used as much in the Americas, although you will see it in Argentina or Panama. It's not used as commonly as you would hear it in Spain. So I left it a little bit grayish, the text. Tenéis. Vosotros tenéis un amigo. Y'all have a friend. Tienen. Tienen. This could mean they have or you all have. Tienen. Ellos tienen un perro. Ellos tienen un perro. They have a dog. So again, singular. All the forms here are for singular. We're referring to one person or one thing. Here it's plurality. And if we go to, let's try and create a couple of sentences, at least one sentence with each of the five main forms. So if we go to tener, yo, we know the box on the upper left is always for the yo form. Yo tengo un carro. I have a car. Tú tienes un reloj. Tú tienes un reloj. You have a watch. Let's pick the ella this time. Ella tiene clase a las 8. Ella tiene clase a las 8. 4. Nosotros tenemos un partido hoy. Nosotros tenemos un partido hoy. We have a game today. And if we do, you can go ahead and do the vosotros if you guys want to. Vosotros tenéis muchas tareas. Y'all have a lot of homework. homework in the plural sense. And we can do ustedes for this one. You all. This is the you plural formal. Ustedes tienen muchas clases buenas. Ustedes tienen muchas clases buenas. You all have a lot of good classes. Okay, amigos, so this is the tener verb. Make sure you review the forms, and before you know it, you'll be using the verb tener for to stress things that you have. Okay, well, study those y hablamos pronto. Adiós.